Are you a recently certified life coach and you're looking to take your life coach certification and you're looking to take that certification and ultimately make money with your life coaching practice by being able to go out there and help people, help make the world a better place with your life coaching certification? Well, don't worry. I got you covered because I'm going to go over specifically my 3-step system on how you can go out there as a life coach and make money fast. Let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're going to be going over specifically how you can make money after you become a life coach and ultimately become certified as a life coach. So let's rock and roll and go over specifically how you can make money as a life coach real fast. Let's rock and roll. All right, so you just became a life coach, certified life coach, and you're wanting to go out there and make money. The first thing we want to do is we need to identify who it is that we are wanting to help and ultimately the problem it is that they have. Some people call this niching down, but I like to break this down into multiple areas because it really deserves that. When people just take a niche down, they actually miss a lot of what they need to be going over specifically during this piece of building your business. So the first thing you want to identify is who we're looking to work with. And then we need to identify the problem that they have. So what we want to do is we need to identify the surface and core desires that our prospects have, and ultimately what the solution is that we're going to be providing them. So what it is that we're going to go out there and we're going to look for is what is that surface desire that it is that they have, the thing that they see that they can touch. The thing that I help people with in regards to the surface desires is I help life coaches make their first or next 100K or 6 figures as a life coach. By doing that, this is going to help them get to their core desire that they want to obtain. So ultimately, by helping them get to their surface desire, what is it in that core desire that they actually want to get to, that by getting that surface desire they're going to get to? So by helping life coaches make their first or next 100K, I'm helping give them 100K so they can maybe travel more, so they can spend more time with their family, whatever it might be, but ultimately it's helping them get to that core desire they want to get to. So by doing this is going to help us identify who it is that we want to work with and ultimately what desire it is that they have. Then what we want to go in is we want to go down and kind of like niche down into that sub-market. We want to start looking for the problems right within the 3 main core markets that we are looking to solve. So what we're looking to do is we're looking to go into the 3 main core markets of health, wealth, or relationships, find the core market, find the sub-market inside of those core markets, and then what we want to do is identify the problem inside of that sub-market, helping us be able to go out there and create a solution for that problem, ultimately helping us guide into creating the offer, which is what we are about to talk about here in a second, of what it is that they are going to purchase and buy from us. Ultimately helping us, right, not only just start creating an offer from scratch, but create an offer based off the problem, right, off of the surface and core desires that are who are looking to get solved in the first place. Before I go into the next piece of how you are going to create the solution, the offer, the thing that people are going to buy from you, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now that we know the who and who it is that we want to help, we now need to create the solution or the specific offer that it is that we want to create for them. And the way that we do this is we want to make sure that we create an offer, not just a solution, but a specific offer that is usually going to be a lot of different solutions that's going to help get over the objections and ultimately give them a reason to act now so that we can go out there and sign them up fast and the people that we need to help. So the people that we want to help, the people that are ultimately looking for our help as our prospects. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we create an offer that not only has a solution and we let them know what that solution is and how we're going to provide that solution. We call that the vehicle. We also answer the internal and external objections of answering the questions of, can I do this? And do I have the resources of doing this of our prospects? And then we want to make sure we give them a reason to act now so that they can have a reason to take action now on your offer so that they can specifically, right, have something inside the offer that's going to give them a reason to act now. Usually this is going to be bonuses of some kind that you can tack onto the offer that don't typically come with the offer that you can tack onto that offer that gives them a reason to take action now and ultimately helps you sign up a lot more people with your offer when you present it. So, you just got certified as a life coach. What did you get certified in? I'm curious. Let me know inside those comments. All right, so now that we've created the offer and we know specifically what it is that we're going to be presenting to the prospects who need our help on a consistent basis, where they're going to be paying us money to get that help with this specific offer, now how do we go out there and actually make money, get people to buy this specific offer? And we do that with what we classify as profitable presentations and presentation stacking. Now what we want to do is we want to create a profitable presentation. This can be done in a thing like a workshop or an online summit or a challenge or even, like a masterclass if you want. But what we want to do is we want to create these profitable presentations, and we want to go out there and demonstrate exactly how we can help people by actually helping them. And then what we want to do is we want to take that offer that we just created, and we want to offer that offer at the end of that profitable presentation. And then what we want to make sure that we do once we create a profitable presentation and get people to buy at those presentations is we want to start stacking those presentations on top of each other, helping build momentum toward a common goal that we have. This way we can open and close our high ticket offers, ultimately building momentum toward those high ticket offers, helping us make our first high ticket sales in our business. But because we want to go out there and we want to make money fast, let's run profitable presentations consistently, like every week or every couple of weeks, making offers to the people who come to those presentations so that we can start making sales and building our list and building momentum of people that we are helping, so that we can start helping those people, getting testimonials, and ultimately start helping people and getting paid to help people as a life coach. Are you a life coach looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach? Well, then I got a brand new 22-page guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide that's absolutely free, and I'd like to give it to you. So there's a link down here in the description where you can grab your 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which again is going to be a 22-page guide showing you the 3-step system that we use and that we give to our clients to use so that they can go out there and they can make their first or next 100K as a life coach or healer. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link below and grabbing your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide today. We'll see you in the next video.